Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to set our dashboards as favorites in the Power BI service. So let's start. I'm logged into the Power BI service and let's say I'll just go to my workspace and then I've got the dashboards and I've got 3 dashboards. And let's say I want to mark some of them as favorites. So I go to the favorites tab directly and I can access them. What's the best way to do it? So you go back to my workspace, you can click on the star, which will mark your dashboard as favorite. Or you could probably open the dashboard and then you've got this, you can unfavorite it or favorite it. Now this dashboard will become available to us in the favorites tab. So you go left, click on favorites, and this dashboard is available. So you can unfavorite it as well. I'll just go back to this space. I'll just create or mark configure dashboard as favorite. I'll also go to the report and mark this report as favorite as well. And now when I go to the favorites tab, or the favorites link on the left hand side, it shows me the dashboard as well as the report. So in this video we've learned how to mark a report or dashboard as favorite and then accessing them via the favorites tab. It's just an easy way to access some of your favorite dashboards and reports. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Cheers, bye.